Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Roytech. In today's video I'm gonna show you the most powerful AI website ever, which really gonna blows your mind. So the website name is openai.com. You can see this type of interface here. For example, write a leave letter to the class teacher. So you can see within a seconds this AI website wrote a leave letter to the class teacher with including a date, time and everything. So you can just copy this and you can actually take a printout and you can give to the class teacher. And the second example, I'm just going to C programming code hello world. So I'm just typing here, write a C programming code for hello world. So after clicking, you can see this type of interface here. This website wrote the hello world within a seconds without any error. Also you can ask this website the recipes also. For example, I'm just saying show me the paneer recipe. So you can see this is the paneer butter masala recipe. So this is how actually this AI website works. So you can even correct your grammar mistakes also with this AI website. And if you want more examples, you can just click on the example button. You can see there's many examples here. So that's it for today's video guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.